Nestled in the heart of California's eastern Sierra, Mono Lake is a place like no other, a testament to nature's artistry, resilience, and time itself. Over 760,000 years ago, Mono Lake was born, an ancient body of water surrounded by volcanic peaks and the harsh beauty of the desert. For millennia, this lake has defied change, standing as a relic of Earth's distant past. But Mono Lake is not just ancient, it is alive, a thriving ecosystem that supports life in the most unlikely of places. Its hypersaline waters teem with life, providing a crucial habitat for millions of migratory birds. Here, brine shrimp and alkali flies dominate, a miniature world thriving in harsh conditions. Mono Lake's shores are alive with movement, sound, and stories. Stories of survival, adaptation, and harmony. But perhaps the most iconic feature of Mono Lake is its otherworldly Tufa towers. These limestone sculptures rise from the depths, shaped by time, water, and the hidden dance of minerals. They stand as silent witnesses, watching the stars shift and the winds whisper across the centuries. Yet, this ancient lake has faced its greatest challenge in recent history. Water diversion projects nearly brought Mono Lake to the brink of collapse, threatening its fragile ecosystem. But through the tireless efforts of conservationists and local communities, Mono Lake is slowly healing, a reminder of our responsibility to protect the delicate balance of nature. Today, Mono Lake stands as a beacon for travelers, photographers, and dreamers. A place to witness nature's resilience and marvel at its beauty. To stand here is to feel the heartbeat of the earth, to listen to its timeless stories, and to find a moment of stillness in our busy world. Mono Lake is more than a destination. It is a symbol of endurance, a muse for the soul, and a call to protect the wonders of our natural world. Will you answer?